You've seen the raw power, the incredible precision, the sheer scale of it all. But you won't believe how this story ends. Get ready.
All right, let's get this show on the road. First step, we got to get our hands on the raw stuff. And for these concrete pipes, that means good, solid aggregates, straight from the earth.
Scoop it up, drop it down. Every load gets us close to those finished pipes. Precision, fellas, precision. All right, materials loaded, now for the haul. This is where it all starts moving. If you're enjoying seeing how the real work gets done, hit that subscribe button right now so you don't miss the next stage of the journey.
All right, boys, we're at the plant. Time to offload this precious cargo. This is where those raw aggregates start their transformation into something truly useful.
And there you have it. Our raw materials sorted and stacked. Each pile perfectly sized, perfectly clean, just waiting to become a part of something bigger. Ready for the next stage of production.
All right, team. Time to get these materials moving. Precision matters, even when you're moving mountains of rock. That Jay Sterling on the excavator knows his stuff, doesn't miss a beat.
Now, this is where the real work begins. Getting these raw materials from the ground to the plant is a critical first step. Every trip counts. Keep that concrete flowing.
And there it goes, into the system. That conveyor belt is the first step on a long journey for these rocks. It's all about moving it, sorting it, getting it ready for prime time.
Smooth as silk. If you want to see how this raw material transforms into solid concrete pipes, hit that subscribe button right now. Don't miss the next stage of our manufacturing process.
That's what you call a full delivery. Thousands of pounds of the good stuff, ready to become the backbone of our infrastructure. This pit here, it's the start of everything.
This is where we start cleaning and sizing it up. Every shake, every drop of water gets us closer to a clean product.
These silos are where the magic really starts to take shape, storing our raw materials, waiting for the next step. If you're finding this whole process interesting and want to see how we turn this into finished product, hit that subscribe button. You won't want to miss what comes next.
Can't make quality concrete with dirty rock. This washing stage is critical, making sure every stone is perfectly clean and ready for mixing. That's easy.
All right, once them aggregates are off the belt, they hit the primary crusher. That's where we take those big chunks and turn them into something manageable.
Actual. The mix is ready. Now we get it into the forms. This chute system makes sure every mold gets exactly what it needs. Perfect every time. No waste, no shortcuts.
After the primary crush, it's on to the secondary, then the screening. Got to get the right size stone for our mix. No room for error here. Precision is key.
And there it goes, the first step into the factory. This conveyor system, it's the lifeline feeding our operation. Every single piece.
Now this is where the magic happens. Aggregates, cement, water, all coming together. If you're enjoying seeing how the foundation of our infrastructure gets built, hit that subscribe button right now so you don't miss the next stage.
This centrifugal force makes sure that concrete gets packed tight. No air pockets, just a strong, solid pipe.
Now, this is where the magic happens. Centrifugal force is compacting that concrete, pushing out all the excess water, making those pipes strong as steel.
Look at that! Every drop of water being squeezed out. That's how you get a dense, impermeable pipe. No shortcuts in quality here.
All right, speed's coming down now. That's a good solid compaction cycle right there. Ready for the next stage.
And there you have it. A perfect pipe, fresh out of the mold. The backbone of our infrastructure. If you're enjoying seeing how we make these giants, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss the next stage.
Alright, change our security. Time to lift her out. Takes a steady hand and a strong machine to move these big boys. Every pipe, a testament to raw power and precision.
Alright, once that pipe's out of the mold, we gotta give it a spin. Give it cooling, that's the key. Don't want any stress cracks in these big boys.
Every inch counts. You gotta set it down right. Otherwise, you're looking at a busted pipe and a whole lot of wasted time. Precision. That's what keeps the production line moving.
Can't let up, not for a second. Every cycle needs a clean slate. Any leftover gunk, any damage, and your next pipe's no good. Gotta keep that line moving, perfectly.
Now, this is where the quality control starts. A good pipe, no flaws, means a pipeline that lasts 100 years. If you're finding this whole process as fascinating as I do, hit that subscribe button right now. Don't want to miss what comes next.
This ain't just one pipe. This is a whole symphony of steel and concrete running day in and day out. Every piece built to spec, ready to hold the future, underground. That's how we do it, boys.
Every pipe needs its time to cool. You rush it, you compromise the integrity. Patience is key in this business.
Every single pipe, every single time. No shortcuts. Our reputation's built on this quality.
Once they pass inspection, it's all about organized efficiency. These machines make quick work of stacking, ready for delivery.
Subscribe button right now so you don't miss the next.
Now, this is where the precision engineering comes in. Every gasket, every seal has to be perfect. No leaks on our watch. Automation handles it, but the principle is the same. Quality first.
From raw materials to finished product. Thousands of pipes, all built to last. Ready for the job, wherever it may be.
All right, once those pipes are cured, it's all about precision. Every single one has got to be perfectly staged for the next phase. No room for error here.
This is where we guarantee every single pipe. Lasers, cameras, the whole 9 yards. If there's a hairline crack, a slight deviation, we find it. No compromises on structural integrity.
Every pipe, perfectly aligned, ready for its journey. We build infrastructure, folks. If you're enjoying this inside look at how we get it done, hit that subscribe button. Don't miss out on seeing these pipes in action, laying the groundwork for the future.
All right, every single pipe gets the full inspection. Can't let a single one leave here without being up to spec. Our reputation depends on it.
a solid team. Another job well done.
And there it is. From raw material to finished product, every pipe inspected, every detail checked. Now, they're heading out to build the future. That's the real reward, seeing your hard work make a difference.
If you're enjoying seeing how it all comes together, make sure you hit that subscribe button so you don't miss our next big project.
Once those pipes pass inspection, they move right on to the automated wrapping station. Gotta protect them for the journey. Keep them safe from the elements.
Last few pieces going on. Every chain, every binder, check twice. These pipes are tough, but the journey out there is tougher. Gotta make sure they arrive safe and sound.
And hey, if you're enjoying this behind-the-scenes look at how we build the...
These machines don't mess around. Precision engineering at its finest. Every pipe secured, ready for whatever the job throws at it.
And here they are. Thousands of feet of pipe, all ready for the world. Every single one built to last, ready for whatever project needs them.
Look at that. Thousands of tons of pipe, ready to go. You gotta have good storage for this kind of output. Every stack, every row, perfectly aligned. All right, watch that belt. Every bit of that aggregate starts its journey right here, moving to where it gets sorted out.